Here we have your bicep curl machine. Obviously it's a pin loaded machine that we want to make sure we execute and perform to help activate our bicep muscle. Okay? There's two main areas of adjustment. The first one is your seat and the second one is your weight stack. You're going to pick the height of your seat not only based on your height but also on that placement of your elbow in the pad, making sure that it's aligned with its pivot point. Right now, I'm at about a 6. If I sit back, I think I'm at a pretty good elbow position in there, okay? My weight stack is at about 55 pounds. We're going to go ahead, place your legs close together on the pad so that we can bring and give our arms room to flex and extend. From here, grab your handles, push those elbows to the side, breathing in and exhale on the way up. Breathing in, exhale on the way back up.